PA, backup tree. Girl, you're so basic, mess around like for your entertainment. This crazy bitch hate me, but she never face me. Now you wanna cry and whine, did I ever call you baby? This is no love story where you see blue skies and daisies. Having picnic with a good letter, fucking crazy. I ain't got a time for this bullshit, huh? You hating on me cause you got your shit exposed. I don't hate you, I overrate you. There's a lot of animosity between me and you. You messing with a real G. You wanna be a bad B? I can tell you bleed, yeah. You make me feel some type of way. I just wanna love my life right, huh? You need to find a real man, yeah. You know damn well I don't fuck with you. You got a passion for hold the fruit. I don't care how you really feel. I don't care. I don't care how you really feel. You make me feel some type of way. No, I don't fuck with you. I don't fuck with you, bitch. I don't fuck with you. Woo. Whether you hate or love it, ain't gonna make me or break me. I don't fuck with you, bitch. I don't fuck with you. Woo. Whether you hate or love it, ain't gonna make me break me. I don't fuck with you. I don't fuck with you. I don't fuck with you. I say, I don't fuck with you. 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 I say, I don't fuck with you. This juice. I know you want my juice. Juice. This juice. I know you want my juice. I know you got a man, but why you mad? Cause I know that playing loyal. When you do is whack. You love life on the hedge. His wife will be back for revenge. What goes up must come down. What goes around comes around. Come on, he's a bitch. You're the author and writer of your own stories. You manufacture lies using my name to cover your infidelities. You're so wicked, how low can you go? I got my sword ready for you like a samurai. Anyway, someone is going down tonight. You might just be lucky to see the daylight. Life is hard to love it right. I got no time for the scrap. That's why I put you on my new track. What's up with a slut? Shut your mouth. I'll make you doubt forever saying my name. Now that you shift from my lane, you leave me no choice, ho. My flow is out of control. Bet you know. Back to the chorus, here we go. I don't fuck with you, bitch. I don't fuck with you. Woo. Whether you hate or love it, ain't gonna make me or break me. I don't fuck with you, bitch. I don't fuck with you. Woo. Whether you hate or love it, ain't gonna make me or break me. I don't fuck with you. I don't fuck with you. I don't fuck with you. I say, I don't fuck with you. 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 I say, I don't fuck with you. That other day when it's over, to have a decent conversation. You put me in a bad situation. On the phone call the whole nation, sending my manager complaining letters. Did you think it would make me feel any better? While you choked up in the back, we had a good life at your hands. Why you had to go around trying to jeopardize my job? But it ain't ready to fall, fuck that, not yet. We're all about bad weather, strange clouds wherever. The hurricane is all there. You just better cause I exposed you on my track, deja vu. Now that you have a better clue, I don't give a damn if you hate me with a passion. You got no dignity, you stole trap in your youth, and that's the truth. You need to grow up, I don't know what your fucking aim is. I don't fucking care who you came with. Mess with me and then leave you nameless. You will be running around feeling shameless. I don't fuck with you, I don't fuck with you, I don't fuck with you. I don't fuck with you. I don't fuck with you, I don't fuck with you, I don't fuck with you.